welcome to one of the most exciting events to ever take place here. The grand opening of the first ever The LEGO Movie World. Are you excited, ladies and gentlemen? Yes. As you can see, Bricksburg is bustling with anticipation this morning as we prepare for the moment that we've all been ready to do, countdown. And folks, here to kick off the celebration is none other than the LEGOLAND Florida General Manager, Rex Jackson.
Yeah!
Hello everyone, and welcome to the LEGO Movie World at LEGOLAND Florida Resort. I'm Rex Jackson, General Manager, and I am so happy to have all of you here today as we open up the largest edition in LEGOLAND Florida Resort's history. Working alongside our great partners, Warner Brothers, who are here today to help celebrate this momentous occasion, we're extremely proud of the product and the experience we're going to deliver to kids and families from across the world. Our overall goal is to make long-lasting memories and to deliver a smile to every child who visits our resort. Inside the LEGO Movie World, guests can live out the ultimate theater-to-theme park experience as they explore downtown Bricksburg, take photos with their favorite LEGO Movie characters, and ride some of the most advanced technology available in the world today. With that said, I'd like to thank both LEGO and Warner Brothers for their ongoing support and participation in making this amazing land come to life. I'd like to thank all of our model citizens who helped make this a world-class destination. And finally, I'd like to thank you, the fans and guests of LEGOLAND Florida, for your continuous support and excitement for this great resort. We are only getting started, so stay tuned for even more additions in the coming years, starting next year with the opening of Pirate Island Hotel. Thank you, and enjoy the LEGO Movie World.
Wow, this is really an exciting day for everyone here at the LEGOLAND Florida Resort. Now on to some more fun. You may recognize our next guest from her beloved appearance on the Ellen DeGeneres Show, where her video has garnered more than 60 million views on YouTube. She is the youngest female rapper to ever be signed to a major label, and she continues to be a pop culture force sweeping the nation. Folks, you can listen to her freestyle on the catchy song, the iconic song from the LEGO Movie 2. Do we have any LEGO Movie fans out there? Excellent. Well, it's my honor to bring out a LEGOLAND fan and an amazing artist. Folks, I want you to make some noise for that girl, Layla!
Good morning, LEGOLAND! It's that girl, Layla. Chico, Princess Leia. You better listen to what Mama say. Yeah, you better listen to what Mama say. I get it from my mama, forget you and your mama and your grandmama. Look, you getting on my nerves, acting like my mama. It's for all my baby daddies and my baby mama. I'm gonna make you bounce, yeah. I'm gonna make you bounce. I'm gonna drip by the ounce. What's that sound? Oh, that's the Behringer Xenyx. Chico, you don't really know about me, so don't say about me. I be LIT, I get LIT, I stay LIT, every day I'm LIT.
Wasn't she amazing, folks? Yes. Woo! That's right. That girl Layla is going to be hanging around for fan photos and giving autographs for a few after our event. So let's see. We had our important speaker, our surprise guest performance. Now, I think it's time to bring out some of our VIP friends. So, put your hands together for our friends from the LEGO Movie and the LEGO Movie 2! Here she is, the strong, fearless, and sassy Lucy. What's up, Benny? Whoa, looks like Benny has even brought his own space skating crew.
Five, four, three, two, one.
guys are all here, I know we want to get on with the opening celebration, but guys, I have this song that's just stuck inside my head. It's so catchy. I just don't know what I'm gonna do, guys.
I think I know what you're talking about, but I'll take it from here.
We'll take it away. Another round of applause for the LEGO movie characters and our friends.
All that. They're right there in line. They were like right next to me, and I didn't know where they were.
What does Brian think of Masters of Flight?
This is cool. I mean, this is pretty great. So the concept is you're in a race with other master builders, and you're going to be riding on a contraption, and you go through all kinds of lands. It's a 4D experience. You smell. Every land that you go to has a different smell to it. Everything smells good. Like you're flying over the ocean, and you can kind of smell the ocean, but it smells like blueberries. This is really cool. Looks like the main attraction right now. It's opening day. You get a 120 right now.
And then over here
we got Unity.
talk to try to get over here.
Over here we got Unity's Disco Drop. That is also pretty cool. It's a really fun ride. You go up and you down and you kind of turn around. I personally think it's very, very, very mild. I was just kind of doing this and like pointing at everybody, and but this is somebody who thinks Dr. Doom's Sphere Fall is pretty medium, actually pretty mild in a ride. The only thing about Dr. Doom's is you shoot up real fast, that's it.
But the important thing is, Brian,
I had a good time. I thought Disco Jump was a really good ride.
yeah, and we have not quite gotten to the Battle of Bricksburg yet, but not as warm as it was yesterday. So that's
Well, listen,
Brian's review.
If you're going to come to LEGOLAND, definitely try coming into LEGO Movie World. It's a brand new expansion. There's so much to look at, a couple things to do, and there's exclusive things to see and you do here. Because it's LEGOLAND and because this is a new area, if you get here and things are pretty packed, maybe try doing something else and come back. It might be the new area syndrome where...
And you might want to actually get the fast track pass.
Oh yeah, because like a 120 at LEGOLAND, that's actually kind of crazy. Now it being a new area, it might honestly be packed all the time, and you're just gonna have to slug out the line or bring for the fast pack.
But the point is, it's definitely worth it.
Oh yeah, this is really cool. If you're in LEGOLAND, come see this area.
Yeah. All right, well, it's no longer Tuesday, but it's okay because it's taco every day.
That's right.
Or tacos every day.
So, it's a little taco stand in the LEGO Movie World. You have beef, chicken, or imitation crab, and you can get a platter of 3, 1, or 2, and you can mix and match whatever you like. You can get 1 chicken, 1 beef, 1 chicken, 1 crab.
Or you can get without slaw like I did, and it comes with chips and a lime. All right, well, okay, I had my taco, single taco, and Brian had his taco trio. And now we're going to taco about taco.
So I thought it was very tasty. The portion size is a little bit small. To me, it's more like a snack than an actual like meal. But it's good food. If you don't want certain things like the slaw or things like that, you can say so. And it's all custom orders. What they do is they write down what you want, and they slide it over, and it's assembled for you. And then you slide down to the window and you pay.
Yeah.
Pretty fast process.
I liked mine. I thought that was quite good.
Yeah.
And it also includes a lime.
Yeah. We didn't end
Or
up
is this-
using our limes.
Is it my lime or is that your lime? Whose lime is it anyway? So yeah,
So,
it's pretty good.
and good ingredients.
Yep.
Just portion size is a little bit small.
But it is a theme park built for kids,
Yeah. So,
not Americans.
if you like tacos and you like the gourmet tacos, definitely when you're in Lego Movie World, hit taco every day.
Yep. That's what this looks like when it's not full of random bricks. Awesome name here.